unleashing the serpent of giants. In the lush ancient rainforests of the Paleocene era, a creature of unprecedented proportions roamed the earth, striking awe and terror into the hearts of all who encountered it. Its name was Titanoboa, and it was the largest snake ever to slither across our planet's surface. By the way, if you still have not subscribed to this channel, please do so right now so you don't miss out on any future exciting videos. With an imposing length of up to 42 feet, 12.8 meters, and a weight surpassing 2,500 pounds, 1,134 kilograms, Titanoboa was a colossus among reptiles, dwarfing even the largest anacondas and pythons of today. It thrived approximately 60 million years ago, after the extinction of the dinosaurs, in a time when the world was a very different place. This ancient serpent possessed an unparalleled combination of power, stealth, and adaptability. Its immense size allowed it to dominate the food chain, preying on a variety of animals that inhabited the dense rainforests and waterways. Titanoboa's jaw could unhinge, enabling it to swallow its victims whole, and its muscular body allowed for the efficient constriction of prey. The discovery of Titanoboa shattered our preconceived notions of the limits of snake size and highlighted the astonishing diversity of life forms that have inhabited our planet throughout its history. As we delve further into the annals of paleontological research, Titanoboa's story stands as a reminder of the remarkable ancient world that unfolded long before our time, forever etched in the fossil record for us to explore and appreciate. Now let's unwrap whether Titanoboa could survive in today's world. In order to understand this, we will have to go back into the times and experience the ecological environment it survived in. Number 1. Environmental changes. The Paleocene era, when Titanoboa thrived, had a vastly different climate compared to today. It was a time of global warmth, with tropical rainforests covering large portions of the Earth. The specific conditions, including temperature, humidity, and vegetation, were conducive to the survival and success of Titanoboa. However, over millions of years, the Earth's climate has undergone significant changes, resulting in the emergence of different ecosystems. The environments that Titanoboa was adapted to no longer exist. Number 2. Ecological interactions. The presence of Titanoboa was closely linked to specific ecological interactions that occurred during the Paleocene era. It coexisted with a diverse range of prey species, including large reptiles and mammals. These prey species provided the necessary food source for Titanoboa's survival. However, the composition and availability of prey species have changed over time, and the specific interactions and ecological balance that sustained Titanoboa no longer exist. The disappearance of its specialized prey would make it extremely challenging for Titanoboa to find adequate nourishment in today's ecosystems. Number 3. Size and energy requirements. Titanoboa was an immense snake, reaching lengths of up to 42 feet, 12.8 meters. Such a colossal size requires significant energy intake and a specific metabolism to sustain its bodily functions. In the modern world, where resources are distributed differently, it would be challenging for a snake of that size to find enough prey to meet its energy demands. The availability of suitable hunting grounds and enough food to sustain such a massive predator is highly unlikely. Number 4. Competition and predation. Modern ecosystems have their own established hierarchies and competition among species. The presence of other large predators, such as big cats, crocodiles, and birds of prey, would pose a threat to Titanoboa. These predators would compete for resources and could potentially prey upon Titanoboa itself. In the face of competition and predation, the survival of Titanoboa would be further compromised. Number 5. Evolutionary adaptations. Evolution is a continuous process that shapes species in response to their environments. The lineage of snakes has diversified over millions of years, resulting in the evolution of various species with different ecological roles and adaptations. Modern snakes, such as anacondas and pythons, have evolved to fit into specific niches in today's ecosystems. They are adapted to their own unique habitats, prey items, and environmental conditions. The evolutionary trajectory of snakes since the time of Titanoboa has led to the emergence of new species better suited to the present-day world. While the idea of Titanoboa surviving in the modern world may capture our imagination, it is essential to consider the scientific evidence and the ecological changes that have occurred over millions of years. The chances of Titanoboa persisting today are incredibly slim due to the environmental transformations, shifts in prey availability, ecological dynamics, competition, and the evolution of other snake species.